In front of me is TCL 205, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select display and click on wallpaper. Now it's time to select the source that you want to pick your wallpaper from. Let me choose wallpapers album, and here you've got all of them. You can also reach my photos, recently used, and so on. Just by tapping you can check how it will look on your lock screen and also home screen, and if you'd like to apply another one, you can check it the same way. So just pick the picture that you like the most, and for example let me choose this one, and then tap on done or set both if you would like to set it on both home and lock screen. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.